Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Imelda Bella Clarissa, student ID number 17106221117, majoring in Digital Business, Universitas Negeri Jakarta. This time we will present the result of our fieldwork report on graphic design at Peterium Mitra Lestari. Okay, this internship activity is motivated by several factors, including the fact the current development in digital technology have brought about major change in the world of marketing, where the use of digital media and visual content has become a key strategy attracting consumer attention. In this context, the graphic design plays an important role as a visual communication medium that not only conveys information but also shapes the image and identity of a company. As emphasized in Satiti et al. 2022 journal, graphic design support economy mechanism, particularly in branding and marketing. On the other hand, students are expect not only to understand theory but also to apply it in real world practice. However, there is a gap between educational institution and industry need, such as limitation in faculties and access to the latest technology. Therefore, fieldwork activities serve as an important bridge to connect the theory learned in the classroom with the skill required by the industry today. Okay, this fieldwork practice in a important means for me is an intern to align the theory I have learned in college with real practice in the workplace. Through this activity, I'm trained to adapt to the work environment, communicate personally, professionally, and work together in a team. The objective of this firework practice include first to develop practical understanding of the realities of workplace, particularly within a company undergoing digital transformation. Second, to enhance analytical thinking skills, effective teamwork, and cultivate professional attitude as preparation for the dynamic and competitive demands of the industrial world. Third, to establish connection between educational institution and the industrial world through active student participation in work activities aligned with technological advancement and market needs. Through this internship, I hope to gain experience and learning that not only support my academic development but also my professional growth. This internship activity also offers benefits for the interns for personal development. First, this internship is expected to enhance my understanding of the actual condition in workplace and the professional dynamic prevalent in the industrial world. Second, it provides an opportunity to apply theories learned in lecture to real world work situation and to understand the relationship between theory and practice in the field. Third, it sharpens critical thinking skills, problem solving abilities, and the ability to build effective collaboration in a professional work environment. Then, during the activity, the participant went through several stages, namely during the preparation stage. Interns begin by searching for information about companies that are relevant to their field of study and are willing to accept study for field work practice. The interns were recommended Petering Mitra Study as a suitable company because it was deemed relevant to their field of study. Following this, the intern contact the company of to confirm the requirement and document needed for two internship application. Some of the document prepared include a request for permission letter, curriculum vitae, and portfolio. Next, I carried out my fieldwork practice activities under the guidance of my mentor from the start of The program, which ran from January 70 to June 30. During the program, I was assigned to the corporate culture department, which is under the CPSD or Corporate Planning and System Development Department. The internship program lasts for 5 months with working hours in accordance with company regulation. Before completing the entire series of fieldwork activities, I began compiling and actively report as a form of academic accountability and documentation of all the experience I had carried. The process of compiling this report began in April and continued until June. During the process, I received guidance and advice from various parties. Okay, interns carry out activities at PT Mitra Lestari, located at Cempaka Niaga 2, number 22, 23, Hijau, Harapan Indah, West Bekasi, Indonesia. The organizational structure of PT Mitra Lestari is led by the president director. At the highest position, below him is the vice president director who oversees several directors responsible for their respective divisions, including human capital and learning academy, supply chain management, general service, and the finance director. Additional, there are other divisions such as plan division, division operational, division HSE, RM, and internal audit. During the field work practice, interns are given a number responsibility from the company related to visual communication and strengthening corporate culture. This task focus on creating internal communication materials and managing digital design content for various company needs. During the field work practice, interns follow a structured workflow to complete each design task. Okay, first, interns are responsible for designing visual content such as Instagram feeds, story, and reels that serve as the company's communication media. The feed design aims to create a visually appealing Instagram feed that contains relevant information. The story design is created to convey concise and interactive information. The real design is created in a more dynamic short video format to increase audience engagement. In addition, are also given in additional responsibilities in editing videos for the company's TikTok content. Interns are responsible for managing the entire video editing process. This task aims to introduce Veteran Metal Starry TikTok account to the wider community. Through this method, it's hoped the public awareness of Veteran Metal Starry will increase naturally through a more light-hearted digital approach. During the intern activities, the trains realized that there were several obstacles faced by the trains during the field work practice, namely, first, limit access to graphic design software. While carrying out tasks in the field of graphic design, interns encountered obstacles in the form of limited access to company design software such as Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop. These two software programs are tools used in the process of creating professional design. Interns are unable to produce professional design because access is restricted by license that are only granted to certain employee. This prevents interns from applying the use of Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop software, which they have learned at university in the workplace. Challenge in maintaining visual and typographical accuracy. In carrying out their duties as graphic designer during their field work, the interns encourage difficulties in maintaining accuracy in design process. A lack of accuracy can cause inconsistencies in design element, such as variation in typography, color, and shapes, which ultimately reduce readability and make it difficult for the audience to understand the information. Practitioners are aware of the obstacles they face, so adjustments are needed to ensure that tasks are completed properly, namely to overcome the limitation of design software such as Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop in the company environment. There are several options available to the intern. One approach taken by intern is utilize alternative platforms such as Figma and Canva. By using these two platforms, the intern can still complete design tasks effectively even without professional software from the company. Then, in order to address the challenge related to the need for precision in the design process, practitioners will always refer to the company guidebook as a guide minimize errors. Next, practitioners begin working on the design by structuring the concept, guided by exciting reference and inspiration. At work, access to Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop is limited because licenses are only available to a few employees. However, these two software programs are industry standards that are taught in college. This limitation hinders practitioners in applying their skills, exploring their active creativity, and producing optimal designs. According to Vicky Karina and Sylvie Sondari Gazari 2025, software limitations are a major challenge that can reduce motivation in the field of graphic design. The level of precision in the workplace is higher than in college. In theory, interns are equipped with the ability to work with high precision, especially in typography, color, and layout. However, work pressure and time constraints in the field often hinder precision, so that small mistakes such as typos and occur. This shows the importance of adaptation in dealing with real condition. Precision remains crucial to maintaining work quality. Okay, next recommendation. Here are some suggestions that can be used as input to improve the quality of field work practice in the future. For the Faculty of Economics, first, intensive training is needed before internship, especially related to work ethics, professional communication, and organizational culture. Establish cooperation with government or private agencies to facilitate internship placement, and third, conduct regular monitoring such as weekly reports or online evaluation to ensure that the internship runs smoothly. For companies, first, provide clear guidance and direction to interns, align tasks with study program to support skill development, and involve interns in real projects to enhance understanding and sense responsibility. Okay, the conclusion, field work practice provides intern with direct experience in the workplace, strengthening their design and communication skills, presenting challenges that build independence, and enabling them to make a real contribution to the company through content creation and support for KPI achievement. Okay, thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.